How to disconnect someone from Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disconnect someone from Messenger. Now what I mean by that is how you can disconnect someone's access to your Messenger. So let's get started with that. So if someone is using a Messenger from someplace else and you want to disconnect them from the Messenger app, you'll have to open up your app and make sure you're logged in. Then tap on the menu icon. Then you can head over to the settings option. On the settings option, you can find a lot of different options. What you can do is you will actually need to head over to your accounts setting. So scroll down, there you'll find Meta's account settings. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll need to head over to another settings that says where you're logged in. So if you don't find it, head over to password and security. And after you're there, you'll see the security checks section. Tap on where you're logged in. From there, you can find different accounts, choose the Facebook one. And from here, you can see what different devices you are logged into. So select the device that you want to log out from and select any one of these, then tap on log out. You can tap all of those devices if you don't know which one that is and simply log out. And that's how you can disconnect someone from your Messenger. And then that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.